So now let's proceed to the lesson 29. In this lesson, we've learned some of the Cebuano dialect and everyday expressions. This is a dialogue about saying goodbye. So here are some in Cebuano dialect of everyday expressions in the dialogue of saying goodbye. So if we say gabi na, tala na uli na ta. So gabi na in English, that is it is late at night. So the word gabi here is night. And let us go home. So, tala na, uli na ta. So, uli na ta is go home or going home. Salamat sa inyong pag-anhi. Thank you for coming. So, the word salamat here in English, that is thank you. And pag-anhi is coming. So, salamat sa inyong pag-anhi. Thank you for coming. Nalipay kaayo mi sa party. We enjoyed the party. So the word nalipay here, nalipay kaayo is enjoyed. And party is, again, this is a party. And me here is we. So nalipay kaayo mi sa party. We enjoyed the party. Unsaon nimo pag-istorya? How do you say? So the word unsaon here in English, that is how. And pag-istorya is do you say. So, unsaon nimo pag-istorya? How do you say? Balik unya mo ha. Please come again. So, the word balik here is come again. So, unya mo ha. So, balik unya mo ha. Please come again. So, bye na. Goodbye. So, the word bye na in English, that is goodbye. And daghang salamat. So daghang is very much, and the word salamat here is thank you. So daghang salamat, thank you very much. So again, if we say bye na, in English that is goodbye. Daghang salamat, it is thank you very much. So daghang is very much, and salamat is thank you. So thank you very much. Daghang salamat. So again, bye is a goodbye, and hangtud sa sunod, until next time. So the word hangtud here in Cebuano, in English, that is until, and sa sunod is next time. So goodbye, until next time, bye na, hangtud sa sunod.